Good afternoon. My name is Phil Barati. I'm the engineering manager with Epson Robots. At the assembly show today, we've got some great new products we're going to show you. Primarily, we're looking at the T6 Synthis robot. It's the big brother of the T3 robot. The T6 has built-in controller. It runs on both 110 and 220 volts. It has I/O that is extended out to the arm, and it's internally powered. This application is actually showing two components of Epson Robots. We're doing a dispensing, and we're using vision to identify the locations on the circuit board where we're supposed to do the dispense. And then after we do the dispensing, we're doing an inspection. Something that's unique about our inspection is that we're checking for the consistency of the bead after it's been placed down. One of our newest offerings shown at the assembly show this year is our Force Guide product. This is a very exciting product that we have. It's a fully integrated force sensor that goes directly into the servo loop for the robots. This allows us to compensate motion with force. We have a force monitor that's built into the system, so you can actually monitor force and position at the same time. You'll notice that the robot has the ability to find and follow when we're doing this application. You'll see how it has the ability to search for edges on the parts. It can search for depth on the holes. What makes the product really unique is that the configuration screen allows you to configure the force guidance as opposed to programming the force guidance. Typically, you'll have to understand commands to make the force sensor tie into the robot motion, but what Epson's doing is we're actually configuring the tools in a graphical interface as opposed to programming the force sensor. And this is what really makes this the most powerful option for our robots. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like any additional information on the products you've seen, please visit our website at epsonrobots.com.